week. So today we were having a question and answer from our friends on Facebook. So I'll just answer the random questions honestly as I can.
Try me, bitch.
Good. First, we have a question from Katsuragi, my friend on Facebook, saying, which one do you prefer, anime or tokusatsu? I'm a fan of tokusatsu when I was a kid, but now I'm more into anime because it's really inspired from the anime Naruto. But I also watch tokusatsu when I was a kid on our television, but now I rarely watch them. I always watch, it's either anime or K-drama. Okay, thank you for that good question, Katsuragi. So the next question will be from my friend Rufa Jane Marifoske. She asked, how many rounds? How many rounds of rice? I eat a lot. That's why I'm this big, but food is life. That question though. Okay, next question is from Miguel. What's your favorite character to cosplay? My favorite character to cosplay in the past is Hardcaptor Sakura because she's also my childhood anime and I love her costume. She has wide variety of costume, so I really like her and I just love her personality. But today, my personally favorite is Angel Dust from Husband Hotel. It's not for kids, but that cartoons and ongoing. It's still ongoing for the moment, but that show really is a big impact for me. And I met a lot of good friends and many amazing people from that show. Also, it inspires me again to cosplay because I stopped cosplaying for a while now. But after that show and after meeting my cos partner Alastor, and she made the costume, basically everything. She's a talented person. So when I'm with her, I'm also inspired to cosplay Angel Dust because she is amazing, just amazing. Especially with the cast. I mean, the other cosplayer of that. The cosplayer of. I really love hanging with them. They're so fun to be with and very mature and very, very funny. I really miss them. I wish this pandemic will end soon so our cosplay shoot will be pushed and we can finally meet again. Okay, thank you for that question, Miguel. This person, I also met him because of Husband Hotel. So yeah, I really love that show. Next question is from Emilio. Favorite fast food? My favorite fast food right now is bonchon. It's really my favorite because of Kiro. Again with Kiro.
LOL!
Because of Kiro, started to get hooked on bonchon. Because of the flavor is sweet and spicy of their chicken, and that's what my favorite tastes like, sweet and spicy. And the other one is KFC because of the only gravy. I'm a whore for a gravy, I love gravy. Okay, thank you for that question, Emilia. Next question. The next question is from Ams Bianeza. Pwede ka ba namin makakolab? Yes, you can, but you need to discuss what will be the content and then I think I'll decide. I'm not famous, but just to make sure that the content is safe and child-friendly from the channel. Okay, I think about it. Thank you for asking, Mr. Ams. Okay, next question is from my friend Selena. Hi Selena, I love you. Selena, I also met her because of Husband Hotel, just saying. Okay, her question is favorite chocolate brand. My favorite chocolate brand is mostly Japanese brands. One of them is Meiji, the strawberry one. It's a triangle chocolate with strawberries on top, strawberry flavors on top, and chocolate underneath. I think it's Meiji brand, and I'm not sure if it's Apollo. I forgot the name. The other one favorite is Mato milk chocolate. My auntie that already passed away, I miss her so much, but when she is working on Japan and go home here in the Philippines, she always bring that chocolate, and that's my favorite. It's not very sweet and it's not dark. It's not that dark chocolate, but it's also milky. That's why I love it. Yeah, that's my favorite chocolate brand. Thank you for asking, my friend Selena. Okay, next question is ban na naman. How to be you po, he said. How to be me, it's really hard because me, it's me. You can be you and you. I don't know how to explain, but we are very different person. So you don't need to copy the other person to be happy. Just be the best version of yourself so you can achieve the happiness and contentment in your heart. That's what I think. And just my personal advice for the other people that who likes to be the other. It's okay to be inspired by your idol, but it's not really healthy to compare yourself to other people. It will really be a bad effect in yourself and self-esteem also. So just be the best version of yourself. The other question is from my friend Clarice Lane. Sino mas nag-aaya na mag-date kayo? She asked that question. Who always asks go on a date with my partner, my boyfriend, I think. He always asks to go out because he is very sweet and he always asks me to travel with him even though I'm not really good at long ride. My back really hurts quickly, my ass hurts quickly, but he also always asks me to go out with him. That's why I really love him.
No, God!
And
No!
even though we are dating now for almost 8 years, he never gets tired asking me on dates and surprise me with gifts, give me gifts, and always make sure that I've been feel in love and being loved by him. So thank you for the question, my friend Clarice Lane. And that's all. That's all. Oh wait, there's some random question that they don't want to be shown on camera because they're very shy, but it's okay. Wait, I forgot, where did I put it? Just wait. Oh, my baby's crying. Yes? Do you want to be on camera too? Oh yes. She just woke up from her sleep. My cute Pushen 2.0. Pushen 2.0. Say hi to the camera, baby. She's very, very sweet and very, 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 very cute. I love cuddle. She loves cuddle. And she loves to sleep by my side. She's already sleeping. She's so sleepy. The other question is, It's from my friends, random friends on Instagram. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a pet. You just saw her. It's a cat. It's a mix of Persian doll-faced cat and a Siamese cat from my friend. The other question is, what was the last book you read? The last book I read is the Book of Angels. I'm borrowing it from my other friend. Thank you for letting me borrow that book. I still have it because of pandemic. I haven't returned it to her, but also I'm still not done reading it. I'm a slow reader. Okay, next question is, do you like to cook? Yes, I like to cook when I'm not lazy. I love to cook, yes, but some of the ingredients I want and some of the food I want to make is hard to do if you don't have the ingredients and you don't have the money to do it. But if I have the opportunity, I will always cook the things and the foods I like. The next question is, are you good at cooking, swimming, etc.? When I was a kid, I'm a good swimmer, but right now I'm not sure because I'm fat. I don't know if I still have the stamina to swim a bit longer in the water. Are you married or single? I'm single. Yeah, I'm single. Do you have a brother and sisters? Are they older or younger than you? I have a one younger brother, but currently he is taller than me. I'm just on his shoulder. But yeah, we're not really look alike, but yeah, he is definitely my brother. But next is, have you ever lived in have you ever lived in another country? I haven't yet, but I hope so in the future I can try going or visiting to other countries like Japan. Of course, Japan is my dream country. Next question, have you ever met a famous person? Yes, I met or saw lots of celebrities because in my past work, our clients of our cakes are mostly celebrities. Next question is, how do you spend your free time? I spend my free time on watching movies, reading mangas, and doing some random TikTok videos, and doing this, doing this video. And also because now I have a cute cat here, I make sure I have always free time to make sure I and love her. Next question is, how old are you? Next question, please. Okay, I'm 24. I just turned 24 this month of May. So yeah. Okay, the final question is, how tall are you? Next question, please, again. I'm not sure how tall, but I'm around 5'2" or 5'3", I think. That's all the questions. If you have more questions for me, don't be shy to comment or DM me on my Instagram account, Mythical.alyssa. And other accounts are in the descriptions below, so don't be shy to PM me or message me there. For now, I'll say goodbye and thank you for watching my channel, guys. Bye bye, Mythics.